Hey guys, I have this really final announcement to make. Um, I hate to say this, but now I'm quitting YouTube. Like literally quitting. I'm giving away all my plush toys, and yeah, so I'm quitting YouTube. And I know this is like I'm not getting that much subscribers like I used to, and I think I just need to move on. So yeah. I quit YouTube now, and yeah, I'm just quitting. Sorry. You guys thought I was gonna quit YouTube, did ya? No, no, no. You guys thought I was gonna quit YouTube, but no, I'm never gonna quit on you guys. You guys thought I quit, huh? That is a prank. It was a prank. So I got you guys there. So yeah, plush videos are coming back next week. I'm editing Sonic's girlfriend problem on Bowser Jr.'s Time Machine, and yeah, I would show you a sneak peek of it, but I don't feel like it. I was eating too much. Right. Um, I don't feel like showing a sneak peek right now, but I will have the video done. So got you guys, prank, and I'm out of here, Hedgehog.